Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest It, Finesse It on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio rampage emails down below, and my YouTube membership with more exclusive manifestation content, as well as my master manifestation workshop with programs, ebooks, boot camps, and workshops that thousands of people are using to get results in their reality and change their realities, include manifesting houses, which is what today's video is going to be, a rampage on manifesting your new house, because somebody requested that on my last rampage. So let's get into it. You are moved into your new house. You have your new house. You were approved. You were accepted. You are moving in. You have moved in. You are living there right now. You love your new home. You are decorating it exactly the way you want it to. It is in the most beautiful neighborhood, the most safe neighborhood. Everybody is complimenting your new house. Everybody drives by and cannot believe such a beautiful house exists. Congratulations on your new house. You deserve it. You are living exactly where you want to live. You are living exactly with who you want to live with. It is so peaceful. You have your own sanctuary. You have your own safe space. You have everything that you want in this home. Everything is perfect. There are no problems. There is nothing that needs repair. It is perfect. It is as good as new. Everything is running smoothly. There are no underlying problems. It is all perfect. It is all perfect for you. It is your house. You have full ownership. Your house manifested you. You afforded it so easily. You don't even have a mortgage. It is fully paid off. You have everything you want in this home. This home is yours. It's yours to keep. It's yours to have for your entire lifetime. It is going to be yours for the rest of your life. You own this property. You love this property. It is exactly the way you want it to be. It looks exactly the way you want it to look. It meets all of your requirements. It has everything on your requirement list. It is a dream come true. You are in your dream home. You live in your dream home. You stay in your dream home. You love the area that you're in. Everybody is so kind to you. Congratulations. You manifested this home so easily and effortlessly. You always get what you want. You are so worthy of what you want. You are so worthy of living in the home of your dreams. You are so deserving. It is safe for you to live in the home of your dreams. You feel worthy, safe, and deserving receiving the home of your dreams. You manifested it all in lightning speed. You manifested it all overnight. You always get your desires overnight. This is your reality. You are in full control. You have already decided that this home is yours. You are living in it. There are no problems. There are no issues. Everything always works out so smoothly. The move-in process was so easy. The closing process was so easy. The buying or building or renovation process was so easy. You can now rest that everything having to do with your home is perfect. You deserve a perfect home. You live in the perfect home. You are now the version of you who has the perfect home. Who are you inviting over? Who are you inviting to see it? What furniture are you buying? What color is it? How big is it? What comes with it? Your home checks off every single box. You have the perfect home. You have the perfect house. You have the best house on your entire street. You are the one with the best house. You have the best house out of everybody that you know. You love your house so much. It is exactly what you needed. You are never getting rid of this house. It is always going to be perfect. It is always going to be in good condition. You are moved. You have moved. You have exactly what you want. This house manifested you. Your property manifested you. It wanted you. It desires you. It's not going anywhere. It is yours. It is yours forever. You don't have to worry about anything because this house is yours. You deserve it. You can have it. You are it. You are in it. You are living in it. This is your new reality. You quantum jump to the timeline where you have your perfect house. Congratulations on your perfect house. Congratulations on manifesting your perfect house. You deserve it. Accept it. You have your perfect house right now. And that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I also do have a rampage on moving, trying to move out of a certain place and move into a new beautiful place. I think these two rampages go hand in hand. So go watch that video. And remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.